Right behind me is the best Dutch ice gelato. But today I'm not introduce you to the best ice gelato or ice salon in the Netherlands. I'm telling you about the Callantsoog, very small town in the Netherlands. Callantsoog. It's great to stay like a weekend, or maybe you can take like 1 week here.
Callantsoog is a town in the Dutch province of North Holland and lies about 18 kilometers south of Den Helder. Callantsoog was a separate municipality until 1990, when it was merged with Sijpe. And in 2013, Sijpe merged with Schengen into a new municipality of Schengen. For that reason, the area of Callantsoog has made a part of the municipalities of Schengen, Den Helder and Hollands Kroon since 2013.
You see, it's very typical Dutch here. Small house, beautiful front yard. 450 years. It is the history of this small town. The traditional thing is still stay the same and still be well maintained here.
But of course, when we're talking about Callantsoog, we're talking about the sun, the sea and the beach. So if you are looking for peace and relaxation, you will get your money's worth here. The beach in Callantsoog is so wide, it practically gleams. Here, there is plenty of space for relaxing, sunbathing, even in peak season.
So I'm standing now in the end of the boulevard in Callantsoog. You see the whole town, it's only one boulevard like this and that's it. But here you have everything. You have from the bakery, very typical Dutch bakery. You have here the fish restaurant where you have very typical Dutch fish dishes. You won't miss the very important thing here in the Netherlands. It is French fry, or we call it friet. You can also hire a bicycle here. It's also very Dutchy. It's a way to do things. You know, the area here is very flat, so you can hire a bicycle, you can hire an electric bicycle, and you can visit the whole town, even the other small towns nearby here.
A variety of markets take place in Callantsoog during the summer months. In the months of July and August, a street market is held in the center of Callantsoog called Dorpsplein, and a flea market on Sundays. You can purchase some interesting pieces there.
Sometimes the crowded area is not for you for vacation. You have very short time, like just a weekend, and you live not far away from the Netherlands. So Callantsoog, it's a recommended place for you because it has everything here to offer you. It's a beautiful beach, it has a lot of activities here, great small restaurants so you can enjoy with your friends or your family. And of course, I believe you won't forget the time you spent here. So if you like my video, please visit my channel at U40Fit. Visit my website u40fit.com, give me a like, and I hope to see you next time in my next video about workout, about lifestyle and travels. Goodbye.